Hey, everyone, ready to smooth out those rough edges? Today, we're showcasing the best bench sanders that are perfect for achieving a flawless finish on your woodworking projects. From powerful motors to versatile sanding options, these tools are designed to deliver precision and efficiency. Stay tuned as we reveal our top picks and check the description for links to these essential tools. Let's get sanding. Bucktool BD4801 Bench Sander. First on our list is the Bucktool BD4801 Bench Sander, which provides powerful sanding for all your woodworking projects. A direct drive 3/4 HP motor operates at 3,450 RPM, delivering stable performance. The 4x36-inch belt and 8-inch disc accommodate various needs. A cast aluminum work table tilts up to 45 degrees, and a miter gauge ensures accurate sanding angles. A heavy steel cover stabilizes the disc, minimizing vibrations. Designed for convenience, it features dual work tables, dust ports for a clean workspace, and a maintenance-free design, eliminating the need for belt and gear adjustments. This durable bench sander is ideal for woodworking enthusiasts. Ryobi BD4601G Bench Sander. The Ryobi BD4601G Bench Sander is a versatile 4x36-inch belt and disc sander, offering 120 volts of power for efficient operation. Its cast iron base ensures stability, allowing for precise pressure application and consistent results. The sanding bed adjusts horizontally and vertically, providing flexibility for various tasks. The belt arm can be positioned from 0 to 90 degrees, while the multi-position work table and tool-free belt tension release enhance ease of use. The induction motor operates quietly at 3,450 RPM, with an integrated dust port for optimal dust collection. Whether for horizontal or vertical sanding, this sander is a reliable choice for woodworking. Woodskil Bench Sander. The Woodskil Bench Sander is equipped with a 4.5 amp 3/4 HP motor, making it a reliable choice for various woodworking tasks. Operating smoothly at 3,590 RPM, this direct-driven sander ensures efficient performance. The sanding belt work table tilts from 0 to 90 degrees, accommodating diverse workpieces. An adjustable table with a miter gauge allows precise bevel grinding, meeting CSA safety standards. The sturdy cast aluminum base with rubber feet provides stability and reduces vibrations. Designed for convenience, the sander features easy belt replacement without adjusting cog belts. With its sleek appearance and user-friendly design, it is an excellent addition to any workshop. Vevor Bench Sander. The Vevor Bench Sander delivers high-performance sanding with a 5-inch disc and 1x30-inch belt. Powered by a 2.5 amp enclosed induction motor running at 3,500 RPM, it provides robust sanding power, quiet operation, and enhanced durability. The cast aluminum work table adjusts from 0 to 45 degrees for versatile positioning. Stability is ensured by the steel plate base and rubber foot, minimizing vibrations. The dust collection port contributes to a clean workspace, while the 2-in-1 design supports both belt and disc sanding. Ideal for woodworking, this sander offers precision and power for various applications. Bucktool BD4802 Bench Sander. Concluding our list is the Bucktool BD4802 Bench Sander, a versatile 2-in-1 tool featuring a 4x36-inch belt and an 8-inch disc, perfect for sanding both metal and wood. Powered by a 1 HP direct drive motor, it delivers 25% more efficiency than traditional designs, ensuring powerful and consistent performance. The sanding belt work table tilts from 0 to 90 degrees for multi-angle sanding, while the spacious disc work table adjusts from 0 to 45 degrees for different angles. Its cast aluminum base with rubber foot minimizes vibrations, and the adjustable belt tension adds convenience. Equipped with a removable dust port and metal miter gauge, this bench sander excels in functionality. We hope this video helps you find the perfect bench sander. Remember to subscribe for more tips and reviews. See you in the next video.